right. Here we go. Wait, where'd my face go? Can I not use my face over there? Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Music switch, server music switch, music type. Where's my music type? What's the current music type? Add chaos to here. And now here. Music switch. here. Okay, so now I just need to get my music. Chaos theme. Create cue. Just call it. I think that's fine. You need to loop this though. Okay. Now let's plug this into here. Okay, bam, bam. Here, put this as, huh. There we go. Okay. Now it should play the right music. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now let's now I need a way to make sure that the impact traces. Pretty sure the impact traces are on there. Go to the. Let's go to the step notify. AN destruction step. So let's go to characters. And then, nope, wrong one. Okay. So we're gonna go to, no, we're gonna go to this characters. No, this characters. Here we go. All right, Toon Dino. Hey, what's up, Jub? Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Just working on adding some like destruction footsteps to this big giant dinosaur really quick. Let's see. I think. Where's my walk animation? Dino walk. Okay, so I think this is what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to duplicate this. I have to call this Toon Dino Kaiju walk. Okay. Then I'm gonna have to take this run loop. I'm gonna have to call this Toon Dino Kaiju. Okay. And now I come in here. Notify. Let's call this AN destruction step. I need it to be like, yeah, that's fine. Let's keep it there. Left, right, use socket. Copy that, bring it over here. Oh, I have to actually. That's weird. Okay. Now, that is right. I think for this, footstep. I think this here, I had to just add like play sound at location. Hey, what's up, D double J? What's up, Anika? Anika? Okay, let's see. Giant step. There we go. Copy that. Paste that there. And what's up, Hyper? Welcome to the stream. All right, let's test this out, see how this looks and sounds. What's up, Mandy? Welcome to the stream. Oh, well, I gotta actually set it up. Darn it. Okay. Let's go to my Kaiju BS. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna take these. We're gonna replace this with our Kaiju walk. Kaiju walk loop. Kaiju run loop. Okay. Now, what's up, Kelly? What's up, Super Cat? Welcome to the stream. What's up, Flyin'? Welcome to the stream. We're making a game right now. Look over here. All right. Yo, what's up, everyone? Welcome to the stream. What's up, XR? Okay, that is strange. Do I not have the right one set up? I feel like I do. Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to the stream. We're making a game right now. And I'm trying to figure out why my footsteps aren't working. I have footsteps. Okay, got this. Got the destruction. It's because of the socket that I'm using. Let me look and see if it's because of the socket. Received notify. Foot L. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the stream. How you doing? We are making a video game right now. Let's see. Foot L. Foot L. Okay. Now let's come over to my dino. Where's my thing at? Okay, here we go. So we're gonna look in here. Yeah, we've got foot L. Yeah, it's there. So why isn't that playing? Let's go look at our Kaiju Dino. Let's see, Toon Dino. ABP Kaiju Toon Dino. Okay. Hey, welcome to the stream, y'all. What's up? We're making a game right now. Okay. Locomotion, walk, run. Yep. Alright, I'm just gonna do this. Let's play. Let's see. Oh, are the footsteps backwards? I bet you the footsteps are backwards. Here we go. I bet that's why. Okay. I am like 99% sure I put the footsteps backwards. Okay, let's do that. And then let's do that. And we'll come over to this. Oh, it also doesn't help that I only implemented it on... Okay. Copy. Walk. What? Come on. What are you doing? What are you doing? I gotta right click it. Am I unable to copy? Well, that's dumb. Okay, whatever. Copy. Can I paste one? Am I able to paste one between? That's stupid. Okay. Oh, duh. Might help if I add the tracks here. Okay. Let's try this again. Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to the stream. All right. Now we're going to copy. Now we're going to paste multiple relative. Okay. All right. Let's see if that worked. I bet you that worked. I'm like mostly sure that worked. Okay. But I also need... One thing I'm going to need to do is change the overall attenuation of everything. All right. Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to the stream. Okay, let's take a look. Looks like everything's working now. I'm able to hear everything, which is good. But now I need to check out, let's see, open this. We gotta look at our trace. We gotta look at our sphere trace. And draw debug type. Okay, hang on. Okay, attack, receive, notify, draw debug type for duration. Okay, let's look at our duration. All right, so now we're just gonna look and see, you know, basically we're gonna visualize where our steps are happening and when they're happening so that we can make sure that they're happening at the right times. Basically hitboxes. Okay. Maybe I need to make them bigger. What was that land in backtrace? Was that the land? Oh no. That was just a step while landing. I think that these could do with being bigger. Yeah, let's make these footstep impacts a little bit bigger. Use socket. Pick A. Okay, and we're just gonna convert this to variable. We'll call this socket radius. That way we have it all in one place. I should also be able to make that public so that I can change it if I want to. But for now, we're just going to double the size. All right, here we go. All right, let's test it now. Welcome to the stream, everyone. Yeah, that feels a little better. Well, why didn't that work? That's one thing I need to work on is changing that back. Ah! Okay. That's crazy. Okay. Oh, snap. Hey, what's up, Mr. Smith? How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Okay. Oh man, there's so many things I need to change on this. Okay. All right. Well, hmm. First of all, I think we need to go to our camera settings. Let's do that. Let's see. Components, AC, camera. Where's my camera? There we go. Camera controller. Cool. Check, check. Am I audible? If anyone's watching, can you let me know if you can hear my voice? That would be fantastic. Hmm. Cool. Just making sure all that's working. Hello. Check, check. Mic check. Am I audible? Is I audible? Let's see. Camera settings. Can you hear me? Can you hear my voice? Right throw view. Oh shit, I gotta do that. Let's see. New camera settings. Hello, hello. Is my voice audible? Can someone let me know if you can hear my voice? Check, check. Check, check. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? How do you play? All you gotta do... Wait, here, let me see. Can you hear me, for one? Can you hear me? Hello? Hey, thanks. Okay, cool, awesome, yeah, great. Yeah, so all you gotta do is join our Discord, and we'll hook you up with a key. We're launching, we're gonna be launching early access pretty soon. Right now I'm working on, this, kind of like kaiju style of the game. So, it's gonna be a game mode where you, like, destroy a city with your friends. So yeah, all you gotta do is join our Discord, and request a key there, and we'll hook you up. This is what I'm working on right now. Yeah, the Discord is in my bio. So all you gotta do is go to this link here. Linktree/Eggstinct game. Yeah, it's I can't I don't have like, I think you need like 10,000 followers or something to add a clickable link. But that's yeah. Yo, do you like spicy stuff? Yes, I love spicy food. Yes, I do. 1000% I love spicy food. Like, I'm a masochist. I like to feel pain whenever I eat food. Like, if it, you know what I mean? Like, if it leaves me like 30 minutes later feeling like sweaty, then I'm happy. I love spicy food. And yeah, Roseland. Roselando Steven. Let me know if you have any trouble getting in the Discord. I'm happy to help out. It is just easier to type the Linktree link than it is to do the to like type the whole like Discord link, you know what I mean? Alright, so I need to come. Hey, sounds good. Let me know if you have any troubles. Okay. So, new camera settings. Set camera settings. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna figure out. I'm going to get. Welcome to the stream, everyone. Thank you guys for tuning in. Get game instance. Pass to red point game instance. Could have sworn. Is it? Have you tried to eat the one chip challenge? I have not done that. Hey, you joined. Awesome. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining the Discord. I'm glad that all worked out. Sweet. Yeah, so if you just go in the Discord, there's a key request. And just submit that, and then you'll and then I'll send you one. I can go ahead and just send you one right now. But like just as a general heads up, we are obviously still working on the game. That's I'm literally streaming making the game right now. So it's not complete, but it's still fun. And it's definitely more fun to play with your friends. So like if you have any friends that you think would be down to play, just let me know. Have them join the Discord and do the same thing, and we'll hook them up so you guys can play with with your friends. So we're also gonna be basically giving like the full, because like right now we're giving away like the okay, cool, awesome. Yeah, we're gonna be giving away like the full game. Right now we're giving away like the multiplayer demo that has like a couple of game modes and different stuff. But if you join in there and like oh my god, I just lost my train of thought. If you like share it on socials or like get a few more people in there, then we'll give you access to the full game when it comes out too.
The chip. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Okay. So let me. Okay, you know what? Here, I'm gonna look this up really quick. I'm gonna see. Let's see. One chip challenge Scoville. 1.7 to 2.2 million Scoville. Okay. All right. Felix. All right. Whenever I was like 14, I went to this place called the Beef Jerky Outlet, and I tried this stuff called the Source. So the one chip is 1.7 to 2.2 million Scoville. The Naga Viper Pepper. I've never heard of that. Okay. So, let's check out, let's see this. The Source is what I did. So the Source hot sauce Scoville. Can you just tell me? So the Source was 7.1 million Scoville. Right? Meaning what I did was like approximately 5 to 6 times hotter than the one chip challenge. And I did that when I was like 14. And it was horrible. It was the worst experience of my life. I was begging for mercy. We were at like we went to go eat at like a Lone Star Steakhouse, and I just kept asking for milk over and over and over again. They had like a bucket in the place where people could throw up, because apparently a lot of people would like throw up whenever they tried it. But they just like got like a tiny drop and like wiped it on my tongue, and it was like dead ass like this, like the. Let me see. It's like this episode of SpongeBob is like this is what I experienced right here. Right there. That's what I experienced. It was horrible. Okay. Let's see, where did I put this kaiju? No, let's see. This kaiju. Where's that coming from? Mm. Man, where did he? Okay. Do I have to see camera controller? Is that set on the main character, or is it set? Let's see. It's got you. Set on the thrower. It is got you. Do I play Roblox? I do not. I do not play Roblox. Sadly, I do not. I have, honestly, considering that I'm a game developer, it's really pathetic how many video games I do not play. I don't play, like, I just don't have time to play games anymore. It's sad. It's really depressing. Yeah. Let's see. Get component. Okay. Let's see. I play this the most. I used to stream, and I played Elden Ring, and I got like, I don't know, I got like 25,000 followers on TikTok playing Elden Ring.
I got really good at it. Let's see. It's kaiju. Branch. But like other than that, I like to play like older Nintendo games. Like Legend of Zelda Wind Waker is something I'm playing right now with my girlfriend. We've been playing that. She's been playing it for the first time.
Such a classic.
Let's see. Is kaiju false? Or you know what? No, we don't want to do that. We don't want to do a branch. What about you? What do you play? Yeah, this that's what this stream is. I'm making a video game. Yep. Set members. Okay. Set members in this. Okay. Oh, nice. Yeah. That makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, I mean, I've heard a lot of people have fun playing Roblox. I never really got the chance to play it. Okay, so if this is the kaiju, then we are going to get to break the camera settings. We're gonna get the target arm length. We're gonna multiply it by, I don't know, let's call it like 100 maybe, and then we'll put it in there. Otherwise we're just gonna put in the value that it has already. Okay, all right, I mean, let's see if that worked. Maybe that will just mean I don't have to do anything. Nice. Yeah, I mean, my kids have played it a little bit. Oh, whoa. That's way too much. Okay, let's try. I'm glad to see that worked, though. Let's try just 10. Let's see what 10 looks like. Basically, right now, I'm working on changing, like, whenever you change the camera perspective, how far away from you it is. Oh, yeah, there we go. Let's go. Okay. Now I gotta find out something. Change and attenuation presets values dynamically. Okay. Just attenuation. Okay, well, I need to take a look at this. Let's see. So, pretty sure I'm just using this for my movement. And I think another thing I needed to do was change my player controller. Change that back. Because I think, is it the player controller? I could have sworn it was the movement. Hang on. Let's go to my... Yeah, this is the game I'm developing. Yeah. Yep. Aha. Yes, I need to get rid of this. I need to add AC movement. Now I need to get this. Okay. Enable physical animation. Is what game? I'm sorry, I'm confused. Let's see.
Oh, what's the game I'm developing called? It's called Eggstinct.
It's on Steam if you wanna check it out.
Right now, it's not on consoles or anything. It's not going to be.
On consoles for some time. But yeah. But yeah, it's called Eggstinct. Hmm. All right, now I need to go and change some of this in my movement component. Okay. So, all right, I need to refactor this a little bit. I need to maybe I want to just add that to my effects. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm just gonna leave it there for now. I don't care. Let's see. Land impact trace is 1,000. Okay. Let's see. Where's my launch? Double jump. Launch character. Let's see. Double jump. Okay, so we're gonna take this. We're going to let's come over here. Actually, do I have that component? I have. Okay, I do have the thrower component. So all I gotta do is kaiju, and I need to select, and I need to. So if it is not the kaiju, then we just use the same value. But if it is the kaiju, do this. We multiply this by 10. I'm just gonna assume that's the general value we should use. Okay, we're gonna do the same over here. Put that there, put that there. Then we're gonna multiply it by 10 if it's true. Okay. I think that should, oh wait, bam. And, all right. Let's see if that fixes our double jump. And if that fixes our double jump, then it should fix our belly slide too. Whoa! Okay, yeah, that was too much. Oh, yeah. Okay, I see why that happened. Because rather than doubling that by 10, it doubled it by the entire value. Okay. Now let's see. Hey, what's up, Wizzy? Welcome to the stream. Okay, we'll call it duplicate it by 5 instead. Okay, and now we will go to our belly slides. Okay. Launch velocity. All right, let's see. Launch character. Okay. So now I think all we need to do is come back over here. No. To this. Yeah, there we are. Okay. Now all we've got to do is take our launch velocity and we need to move all of this over just a slight bit. Here we are. Okay, move this over right there. Okay, and we're going to multiply this by the float value right there. Okay, no, that's not what I said. There we are, like that. Okay, I'm going to select a float. I'm going to get our component right here. Get is kaiju. Okay, if it's a kaiju, then we are going to select this incoming value by, let's see, we'll do 10. Okay, then if it's not, we're going to multiply it, just going to keep it the same right there. All right, so now what should happen is when I jump, it should be the right size. Okay. Oh wow, that was crazy. All right, yeah, there we are. That's a good double jump size, I think. But this is crazy. That's an insane amount of launch for the belly slide. So let's just do that by 5 as well. And let's see how that looks. Okay. Hey, what's up, Sharky? Welcome to the stream. All right. Okay. All right, here we are. Now let's try. All right, now. Okay. It seems like what is happening after that? It looks like my movement is being set to a really slow value after. Okay. And then reset, ignore move input. Is that happening here? I don't think so. Let's find out where. So belly slide, belly slide. There we are. Okay. Server set max walk speed. Oh, there we are. Okay. Let's see. Walking movement. No. Running. Here we are. Okay. Walk speed. Okay. Okay, wait. Hey, you take care, Felix. Thanks for tuning in. Alright, so I've got to Let's see. Let's get the you know what? I'm gonna do this. Come to my function library. Okay, BFL shared functions. No, that's not what I need. Welcome back, Felix. Welcome back. Okay. So, wait, I need to, let's see. Let's try and find all of my function libraries. No. It's all good, mate. You're good. Alright. What's up, Sharky? You still in here? How you doing, mate? Alright. Mate, I swear, blueprint. Huh. That's interesting. Okay. BPFL debug, maybe. Okay, yeah, there we are. Alright. So we're gonna go over here, create a function, call this get is kaiju. Okay. Then, hey, what's up, Elapa? Welcome to the stream. Alright, we're gonna put our input here, get our character. Okay, character. Now we're gonna call this character. Call this. Okay. Get component by class. Maybe I can just do the actor. No, I'll just leave the character. It's fine. Okay. Going to get our thrower. Going to get is kaiju. And then pull off a return here. I'm gonna do that. Okay. Bam. Call this pure like that. And now I should be able to simply create a new function in here. Hey, thanks, mate. I try my best. Definitely try my best. Be a nice person. Okay. It's always good to be a nice person. So, let's get movement speed. Okay, so calling this get movement speed, right? Now, we're going to get our character here, and then we're going to get is kaiju from here. And we're going to select. Okay, so, because we're going to want to get two different speeds here. So we're going to want to get our all right, wait, hang on. Let me go look at my character right now. Let's see. Gonna get third person dino. Let's see. Okay. Gonna get this. Let's see. All right, now we're gonna take a look at our character speed. So the max walk speed is 400, and I think I had it set to 750 earlier. So if I come over here to this, and then we call this make float, make literal float. No, we don't need to do that. We're going to get our walk speed. It's going to be 400. Okay. We're also going to get our run speed, which would be, call this 750. Okay, now we're going to put this to 3500. We're going to put this to 1650. I think so. Oh mate, I'm so sorry. I can't play Roblox right now. Um um but thank you for the invite. I appreciate that. Okay. Let's see. So we've got walk speed, and then we've got run speed. Okay. So now that we've got all that, we can come over here, come to our game here, because we're setting that here. So all I've got to do is get run speed. No, what's it called? No, get movement speed is what I called it. Okay, get movement speed. Convert that to pure right there. All right, bam. Look at that. Okay, so now if I come over here, where's my? Okay, got to movement. Nope, running. There we are. All right, here we go. So put the walk speed there. Bam. And get the run speed. Put it there. There we are. Beautiful. All right. Now I can set multiple different run speeds for the different characters. And their kaiju variants. So if you've got a computer, you'll be able to play it right now, actually. Hmm. Okay. Um. All right. Now I need to look at my thrower here. Let's see. AC thrower. Let's come to my get nearest hittable object. Now, let's look at the diff here. Let's see what's going on. Get nearest hittable. Is this something? Root. Ah, there we are. That's probably why. All right. Hmm. All right, let's do this. Let's see. Let's go to over here. Draw for duration. Launch type. Radius. Okay. Let's see. Let's see how this works. Is it object types? I wonder if I need to update that. vehicle. Hmm. Hmm.
Hey, you're all good, mate. You're good.
Let's get. Okay. As tag. No. No, 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 no. Alright, here we are. Okay. As tag. As tag. Right there. Bam. Call it steppable. There. Okay. Gonna branch. Bam. Put this here. Put that there. Okay. So then we're gonna reroute this here. Right. Cool. Alright. And then I'm gonna make it look pretty. Okay. I think that should fix it. Here's hoping.
Hey, what's up, Sniper? Welcome to the stream. Come on. Let's go. There we are.
But it doesn't seem like anything's happening. Alright, what's going on here? Let's see. Let's come over here. And open this up. Let's see. For each loop. So it's hitting it, but it's not. Let's see, what's no, I'm not trying to grab that. Oh, give me a break, bro. Okay, let's see. Building. What is this? Collision preset. Destructible building. That's world dynamic. Is that in here? Yeah, it is. So. So go in the right place. It is. So. It's hitting, but oh snap. What is going on? Let's see. This makes no sense to me.
It's hitting things, but it's not. Why is that happening? It's hitting things, but it's not. Is not. Okay. Yeah, I just need to do that. I think that'll fix it. Let's see. Yeah, there we are. All right, let's go. There we are. Nice. Beautiful. All right, now I've just got to add one new object type to this. Let's add vehicle. Is it vehicle? Yeah, there we are. All right. And that should fix that. Okay, but I've also got to fix it over here. What game do I think my kids play the most in Roblox? My kids actually don't play Roblox. My kids play they like to play a lot of Minecraft, Terraria. They like to play they like to play Goat Simulator as well. Yeah. They play a lot of that. They like to play No Man's Sky a lot too, which I'm all for. Let's see, getting your scrappable object. So this needs to be set to that. Okay, bam. This includes vehicle already. Beautiful. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, my kids love. I mean, yeah, my youngest loves Minecraft though. Hmm. All right, that's weird. Why didn't that work? That should have worked. Vehicle. Just hit types. So defaults. Let's see. Here. Object types. What? I'm not sure, mate, to be honest. Let me see. But you should not give out that information to people on the internet. Just as a heads up. You should not be giving that kind of information out. So yeah, never give people your personal information on the internet, mate. There's weird people out there. Let's see.
Okay. Object types. That's weird. What is that? I'm so confused. It's the thrower. Object types 0. Okay. What about? Yeah, mate. Yeah, I got you, bro. You good? What is going on? Where is that? There is grabbable. Alright. Object size. Why am I not able to find that? There's the 0. But where's the other one? Object size 0. Object size. Let's see. Object types. There we are. Object types. It's the same. So why is it not working? Hey, what's up, Castro? Welcome to the stream. Okay. So, if I go to... Let's look at these vehicles then. Blueprints, no. Assets, destruction, destructible cars. No, that's not what I want. I mean, wait, that should be. Ah, let me back. What are you doing? That's annoying. BP destructible car. Alright, here we are. Is it this? Destructible vehicle mesh. Okay. Ay, ay, ay. So it works when I step on it, but it doesn't work when I do that. That makes no sense to me. Bro. Right, nearest hittable. Alright, we're just gonna have to take a look again. Like this. Okay. Oh! Hmm. Oh, the big tower from France, yeah. That'd be funny for sure. Um, Alright, here's what I've got to do. Hey, just let me know when you're around. Alright, let's do draw, debug, string, okay, get the impact location. Then we're going to get the display name of the object. And we're going to put that for a duration of 5. Okay, so now we're going to see what objects we're hitting. Okay, it's not hitting the car for some reason, which is really confusing. Hey, what's up, Darkness? Welcome to the stream, mate. Thanks for tuning in. We are developing a game. Are there badges in my game? Like, are you asking me if there's achievements? Like, are you able to earn, like, achievements or something? Is that what you're asking? Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I mean, there's gonna be. Um, not quite yet, but here, let me. Your son is so interested in game designing. Nice. That's a really good thing. You know, like I started game design like I don't know, like I was really young. I was like I had to have been like 12. And there's a game called RuneScape I was so obsessed with. And I like was like on forums on the internet trying to, like figure like I was like copying JavaScript code and like pasting it into my own version of the game. And uh yeah, I was obsessed with doing that and like adding my own models to the game, my own weapons and stuff. I was like 3D modeling and stuff. It was cool. um um but yeah, no, game, I mean, like if your son's interested in learning game design, I would just suggest to download Unreal Engine. Hey, thanks, mate. Appreciate you. Yeah. And if you and your son are on Steam, feel free to join our Discord as well, because we do game development streams there as well. Uh, and we'll be doing you can get early access to the game as well if you'd like. Um, by joining our Discord. All right.
I'm about to have a meeting. Hmm. Um. Okay. I'm gonna have to mute my mic for a moment while I have a call. So I'm gonna keep on working, but I'm gonna mute my mic. Check, 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 check.
Hello?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, sorry, sorry, I didn't mean for you to do that. Yeah, I'm just not a massive fan of having my voice. Like, I think it's mainly because I wanted to depend on like talking about like tasks and stuff. I don't know. I just thought
Wait,
yeah.
talking about what? Sorry?
No, I just would prefer my voice not to be on screen.
Yeah, no, yeah, you're good.
Sorry. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. What's up?
Um, you okay? You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, just working. Yep,
Okay.
yep.
Nice. Yeah. Sorry. I think what I wanted to do just before um, I started like working on stuff, and this is like one of the reasons why I didn't want anything like recorded, is I just wanted to like get clarification on like where, like if I'm looking into um like Crown Jam and coming up with ideas, which is something else I wanted to talk to you about. Like I kind of want to know what your thinking with that is anyway, like as a game mode.
Yeah, I mean,
Um,
just
I
looking
think
at what that game mode looks like. I mean, it's like a Fortnite island, you know. So like,
hmm,
you know, the like basically just if you can just design something similar. So basically, like you would just need to um create a sub level, like create a new sub level, pop it into the
mhm,
lobby island, and make it fit within that crater that uh that Toby made, right?
yeah, yeah,
Um because that crater is basically going to like hide the levels, and then you're going to fly over to them and it's going to spawn different levels each time. So like
mhm,
just yeah, just design like a crown gem style linear map with like a little bit of verticality to it, you know what I mean? But it's meant to just be
mhm,
like more like a football field, but you know, like a lot more open. Like there shouldn't be like really anything in the middle. Like there shouldn't be much in the middle. It should just be super open. Um, but yeah, yeah. I mean that's pretty much it. Um,
okay. I think I wanted to like make sure that if I'm gonna, I guess, if I'm gonna do that, is Toby like aware that's also what I'm doing? Because I think my one worry is that because obviously I'm definitely not as uh like available on the project as Toby is, that if I do something like work, will Toby not? He won't like replicate it or do like it won't be duplicated because then it will be like
um, I mean,
I
I
don't want
think
like to say a waste of time, but
I mean, nothing's gonna be a waste of time. Like Toby's working on a couple of different things right now, but like that's you know, either whatever you do is usable and important regardless. You know what I mean? Huh?
no, I said I think my headphone. I've got a new computer and I've not got proper headphones. I'm using like wireless headphones, so sorry if you can't hear me very well.
Oh, okay. No, you're good. Yeah. So just just like make the just like make try and like block out like a level that like is similar to Crown Jam in the sense that it's like simple and linear, and it makes sense for our character sizes, and speed. You know what I mean? And then we'll go through
Yeah.
and we'll add gameplay elements to it. Try to consider gameplay elements that we have, like the jump pads or exploding eggs, and things like that. And like also like even though like everything should be fairly open, like that doesn't mean you can't have like foliage and like kind of give it like a little bit of a flair. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Um
Yeah. Yeah. Is
uh
it have you got like a theme in mind? Is it still like a lot the lobby sort of type aesthetic?
yeah, basically. The just like the tropical beach island vibe. And you can add like trees and more like fluff on the outside if you actually want to like get into the environment side of it too. So but like I think the most important thing is like playing it and testing how it plays.
Yeah.
You
Doing
know,
all the level design.
with like the movement and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds really good. Oh yeah, I'm looking forward to this. This is the kind of stuff I also like doing.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Sorry, I appreciate you taking the time just to stop the stream just so I could talk to you.
Oh, you're all good, all good.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, great. No, no, that's okay. Yeah, and like I said, sorry I've not been around much. Honestly, like last week was just so. I mean, it's great for money, but it was busy.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah.
I, I yeah managed to. I went and did my like car theory test, so I passed that, which was really great.
Nice,
Um, so
congratulations.
thanks. I'm desperate to start driving so that I can get to work quicker.
Oh
So
wow, yeah.
hopefully I can drive soon.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Cool. Brilliant. Thanks, Jesse. I will get started on that. Like I'm off tomorrow, so I'll do some work on it tomorrow. And then let you know what I've got in the evening. Is there a meeting tomorrow as well? Sorry, I just
Yeah, and I'm
wasn't
actually
sure.
about to post like a revised schedule. I'm gonna start we're gonna start kind of like blocking out specific time for specific things like play tests and stuff because it seems I don't
Oh,
know
cool.
the team is really I mean obviously like with everyone having like different things that they're having to do, but I think it'll be easier for people to commit to something earlier rather than me asking like, hey, in this particular moment is anyone available, you know what I mean? So
Yeah.
um
Yeah. That's fair. No, having like a set time for a playtest is definitely good because then you can get like footage, right?
yeah,
Which
which
is
I
you really
desperately
need.
need. Yeah. Well, cool. Yeah,
No, that's
just
fine. Yeah, I'll be around. If you need any help tomorrow, like with playtesting, that I'm around all day. So
okay.
yeah, just let me know.
Cool. Sounds good.
Thanks, Jesse. I'll speak to you soon.
Thank you. I'll talk to you later.
Thanks.
Bye.
Take care. Bye.
Bye. All right. I am back. Okay. I gotta figure out why this is not working. Why the land traces? Or why the this footstep trace? A Mona Lisa badge? What would you get for that? Like what? Give me an idea here. What are you thinking? Sphere trace. Is it because trace complex? Let's see. I'm already in here. Okay. Let's see. No, that's not what I want to be in, actually. Here we go. Oh, like a Mona Lisa skin for the dinosaur? Like how would you earn what would give you a Mona Lisa badge? Like what would you do in the game to earn that? You know what I mean? Let's see. Let me just check this. Disable. It's not set to trace complex. Bet you this is it. BPM. No, it's not. Okay. Oh man. This is tripping me up, dude. I don't know why this isn't working. Okay, I'm just gonna disable. Create a new object type. Okay. Duplicate this. Compile. Find all 10 hidden coins in 2.5 minutes. Okay, okay. All 10 hidden coins in 2.5 minutes. All right, I think I can work with that. Let me see. That could be a cool idea. If you want to join our Discord and like type that into our suggestions, that'd be even more ideal. Because I will forget. Hmm. Oh, it's because it's throwable. Okay, okay, I see what's going on. Because it is throwable, it doesn't have that, so it's trying to do a bunch of other stuff. So if it doesn't have steppable, we route there. If it does have steppable, we route there. And now this should be fixed. Let's see. Hey, wait. Actor has tag steppable. Okay, here. Bingo. No. What? Okay, here. Bam. Bam. Okay, man. All right. Yeah, there we go. Let's see. Okay, the land trace is not destroying cars. Let's go over there. Is it movement? I think it is movement. Land trace. Route. Destructible objects. Vehicles. Okay, let's draw that for duration. Is it Wait a minute. Is it because I am not calling the land trace? Is it because I am not? Let's see. Land trace. Okay. Landed. No. Landed. Bars. Land impact trace. Okay, that's going to be over here. So I moved it. Okay. So, assuming multicast landed. Aha. So server landed. Multicast landed. But then that calls server landed. Okay. So come back over here. Do that. Okay, wait. Just gonna copy all of this. Server landed, multicast landed. Okay. That's on landed. That calls server. On landed. Server landed. Okay. Then do that, which we'll call that. Bam. Okay. And thank you, man. That means a lot. I truly hope it does. Working really hard. Yeah. Hmm. Okay, what's happening now? Why is that not working? Every time you fix something in a video game, something else breaks. Ah, duh. Okay. See what I did? Duh. All right. And fixed. Great. Let's go. Beautiful. Okay. All right, let's get rid of this debug string now. We don't need that. Okay, I can also turn off all of these. All of these things. Okay. Here. Let's see. Get here's grabbable. None. Beautiful. Okay. Now I gotta figure out why the HUD is not coming up. I'm sure that's something to do with the player controller. Hmm. 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 No. Okay, that's weird. Sworn. Oh yeah, duh. No, I'm not doing that. That's right. I'm doing that dynamically. Okay. Setup controller. View egg count. Set visibility. Okay, and now I think what I did was global score. Maybe I hit testable. Hmm. Hmm. Nah, man, you shouldn't be doing that online. You shouldn't be. It's okay. Nobody needs to know. Nobody but you needs to know. Let's see. Let's see if I've messed up anything in the main game though. Doing all this. Mm. Hmm. Yeah, I'm here. I'm just really focused. Ow!
Mm. All right, I will be back. I'm taking a break. Oh man. Hey, just letting you know, I'm gonna end my stream right now, and I'll be back in like 30 minutes to an hour. Um,
So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I'll be back shortly.